So let's put the sub bass in right here. Maybe right here actually. And let's automate the volume because I want it to be louder obviously during the chorus and the drop. I want it to be subtle during the breakdown. Okay, that kind of works. And then an easy trick to do if you're kind of stuck on writer's block for your intro is just repeat the same chord over and over and fade it in with a nice filter. That works a lot, I find, or works really well, you know, a lot of the time. So let's just grab a quick filter, and then we're gonna just modulate the frequency right here, and then it'll open up fully when it gets to the breakdown. Oh, we still have that thing going, so we have to mute you. Now, obviously, when I have effects and everything added in, like the transition between these two, this guy and this guy will be a lot smoother when you have like an impact coming in, a sweep and a riser and everything. You know, it fills in the gaps that you're kind of hearing right now because there's no kind of glue to to glue together, you know, little sections to make the transitions kind of seamless. That's really the power of good effects usage. But we'll get to that later. Right now, we're just focusing on the keys. So I think this is pretty much good to go as far as keys are concerned, because I don't want to overly process them really. One thing we can try actually is one of my favorite tricks to do is do a reverse sweep or a reverse layering in the chords. And it's easy to do. Let's go ahead and just duplicate this track real quick. Actually, you know what? It's easier if we just record it to audio. So let's grab you. We're going to route you to contact 26, like so. And arm you to record. Okay, so I'm going to grab the audio from one of these chords here, or chord structures. Oh, and I want to make sure actually before we resample that this is always at 0. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, and then we can go ahead and set you back down to -16. The reason I do that is because I have every channel gain stage already with a utility. And if I sample it at -16 and then I have it in a channel at -16, it's going to come out really, really low. And then I have to just crank this all the way up. So it's just easier to just zero it out real quick and then record it and go back.